students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that Catherine threw a dice 40 times and notice the number appearing each time as shown below. So we have to make a table and enter the data using telemarks and find the number that appeared. First is the maximum number of time. So basically, this is the table which we are given here. So according to this table, we have to make a table using telemarks. So here, let's say a dice consists of numbers from 1 to 6. So here, this column is representing the number. This is representing the telemarks. This is representing the telemark, and this from here is representing how many times. So numbers are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we look at the number of time 1 appears, so from this table we can say that 1 appears 7 number of times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1 appears 7 number of times. So talking about 2, when we again look into the table, we get to know that the 2 appears 6 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 appear 6 times. Now for 3, when we again look at this table, we get to know that the 3 appears 5 times through the dice roll. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now for 4, again go to the table, notice how many times 4 appears here. So when we notice here, we got to know that 4 appears 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for 5, when we notice this in the table, 5 appears 11 times. So we can say that 5 from here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now when we look at 6 appears here, 6 appears 7 times. So marks, tally marks here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. So 6 appears 7 times. So let's discuss the part A. Part A is the minimum number of time. So we have to find out the number which appears minimum number time. So when we notice in this our table, so 4 appears minimum number of time, that is 4. So we can say that answer to the part A is 4. Now in the second part, we have to find out the maximum number of times. So from here, we can say that the if we notice here in this table, the number which appears maximum number of time is 5. So we can say that answer to the part B is the number which appears maximum is equals to 5. So we can say that the answer to the part B is 5. Now let's discuss the part C. In the part C, look here, in the part C, we have to find those numbers that appear an equal number of time. So if we notice here in the table, so the number which appears the same number of time. So if we notice here, 1 appears 7 times and 6 appear 7 times. So we can say that the number which appears equal number of time is 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 is the answer to the part C of this question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.